Hey guys, John here. So today I got a really strange and odd request from Small Gas Engines 1. What's he want? He wants me to partially disassemble my gas trimmer so you can actually see the carburetor and the air filters on the many ones that I have. I don't know why he wants that, but pretty much they're the same donut hole as you'll probably see in one of them. So most of them are really easy to take off, but most of them I have to take off a screw to actually get it. So I guess what I'll do is I'll unscrew the weed eater C600 and show it to you. So after removing these two screws, there it is. That's pretty much what you'll see in my Ryobi and my still trimmers. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, he wants me to take off the spools to show you. So this one's really easy. All you have to do is just literally take it off. So wants me to work in this video. That's it. And you just rewind the spool. One going counterclockwise, one going clockwise. Then what you do, you fit in those two eye bolts. Make sure you don't lose that little spring. Put it in. This is pretty much the same spool line as my still, my weed eater, home lights, and Ryobi. Voila. That's how you would extend the line, in theory. Now for the Shindaiwa, uses Shindaiwa speed feed, not so speedy. So to dismantle it, you would depress those two buttons. I'm not going to remove it because it's a pain in the butt to actually put it back on again. And now for the air filter. Removing this bolt. And there we go. It's that simple. And that's your air filter. It's pretty generic, don't you think? And both trimmers use Walbro carburetors. This one you can not actually see, but it's a Walbro. And this one too, it's a Walbro. There's a Homelight Zip Start model. It doesn't have a air filter because the box damaged, so and it's hard to put back together again. And also the screw to adjust the choke also broke, so I'd have to use a screwdriver to play with the choke. That sucks. So it uses a generic Homelight spool, just like in my weed eater, two strings where you have to go one clockwise, the other one counterclockwise, put into a bolt, that's it. Same story with the Ryobi and the Homelight here and the broken Ryobi. The Ryobis use a Zama carburetor, whereas these ones use Walbro. And see, generic ones, as in my Homelight Mighty Light 26 SSCC gas trimmer. This one has a roto choke. Unfortunately, the light, I need a bolt to actually get that off, but it's just a little circle air filter, so really don't need to see what it is. So I guess he wants me to disassemble the still and show you the air filter. This one's actually pretty different. It's just a rubber sponge, hard to like felt. And there's the cover, and there's the carburetor. I believe it's a Zama carburetor, since it's manufactured in China. Runs okay. And again, the still spool, just like my Homelight. All you have to do is unscrew this bolt, or this knob. And you have your spool. All you do is just wind it to the correct width. and that's it. And of course the same thing with the BG55, has the same hard sponge. And that's your air filter. Your choke can run. I believe it also uses a Zama carburetor. I should make a video of my Lawn Boy 8243AE. As I said in my lawn equipment tour video, it wasn't running because it lost spark. Well, it does have spark, but very intermittent and very low. Sometimes the motor will kick, sometimes it will take forever to actually get it to fire. But once you do get it running, the machine won't stop itself. That's because there's a default in the switch mechanism. So I believe that if I hold the bar, you can see it's a bit frayed. So I have a spare motor, so I can try to change the rope, so hopefully that can do some justice here, or else I'll have to get a new coil because it's just not strong enough to actually get a charge for the machine. That sucks. Oh, I forgot, the next lawnmower we're going to film in my next lawn cutting video, it's going to be that blue Nikita battery powered one. So I'm charging up the battery, and hopefully by next Tuesday or Wednesday, it'll be due for cutting. Sweet. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Peace.